Let's find an equation of the tangent line to the curve described by these parametric equations at the point where t is equal to 1. To find the tangent line, we're going to need a point and a slope. Let's begin by finding the point. So we'll plug t equals 1 into these parametric equations to see where on the curve we need that tangent line to hit. Plugging t equals 1 into the equation for x, we get that x equals 1 to the 4 plus 1, so x equals 2. Plugging t equals 1 into the equation for y, we get that y is 1 cubed plus 1, so 2. Hence, our tangent line must look like this. Y minus the y-coordinate equals the slope, which we'll find in a minute, multiplied by x minus the x-coordinate. So the only thing missing is that slope. To find the slope, we need to take derivatives. We need to figure out how y changes with respect to x, which, since they're both parameterized in terms of t, is found by taking the derivative of y with respect to t and dividing by the derivative of x with respect to t. In this way, we see how they both change with respect to t, and thus we can see how y changes with respect to x. To find dy dt, we simply use the power rule. That gives us 3t squared plus 1. Similar to find dx dt, we just use the power rule, and we get 4t cubed. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. All we have to do then is plug in t equals 1 to see what the slope of the tangent line should be. Our slope m is equal to dy dx evaluated at t equals 1, and plugging t equals 1 into this expression for dy dx, we have 3 plus 1 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, so 4 over 4, and the slope is 1. Hence, the equation of our tangent line is y minus 2 equals that slope of 1, which we don't need to write, multiplied by x minus 2. We can then write this in slope-intercept form by just adding 2 to both sides, and thus we get the final equation for the tangent line, y equals x. And there it is in a picture. In red, we have our curve, and the tangent line is in blue. You can see the point of tangency where t equals 1 at the point 2, 2.